One of our long-running projects now, our 1969 Audi. It's ultra rare. And now we're going to catch up with Dave to see how it's been getting on with the restoration.
I've rebuilt all the back brakes now, greased all the old bearings and put them back as they was in good condition. I've fitted brake lines, hoses to the rear, just waiting to get on a ramp so I can do the main lines to the front. I've managed to get all the back bumper fitted up. Most of the trims along the sides. Still waiting for some clips for the front ones. I've got the gutter trims on. One of the rear lights is in, but again I'm waiting for a trim to go between the two lights. I put the shocks on the other day. I put 4 shocks on it all round. I've got the cowling off the steering columns all off in the paint shop. All the seal trims, I had to put them on the polisher and polish them up. I've got all the front grille in now. The front bumper's bolted in. I'm waiting for one of the other chaps to fit the door rubbers, which are a bit of a drama, so he's offered to do that. Once they're in, the doors can go on. Then I can start basically putting the door pads on. I've already put all the glass in. I'm waiting for bits for one of the doors. 3 of them can be built right up. Regulators are all in, they're all working. The engine and gearbox, obviously I'm waiting for a clutch at the moment. I've sandblasted the discs, painted the inners, fitted calipers which have been rebuilt. The engine itself, I've rebuilt the distributor, I've rebuilt the carburettor. I've painted the block because it's quite hard to get parts for. I've had to make gaskets up for the inlet manifold. Yeah, so once the clutch comes I can bolt that up and then I can trial fit it, as some of the engine mountings may not be right for the car, so we might have to modify those slightly.